We're located in Liverpool. We've got over 40 years experience in the industry, and our core businesses are training for ductwork cleaning businesses. We sell specialist equipment, and we also provide independent laboratory services for sampling for our customer base. In the past, we didn't have a complete range of products. Now we can be a one-stop shop. We can offer you equipment for disinfection, robotics, inspection, sampling, industrial cleaning, kitchen cleaning, and general ventilation and healthcare. There's a full array of products for whatever your business needs. We're really excited to partner with a company that's a truly worldwide business, supplying specialist equipment. And for us, the focus on innovation and development of the products is crucial. TEINNOVA are constantly innovating, trying to improve, and with a focus on making the job easier and safer. So for us, it was a natural partnership. Whether you want to work more quickly, more safely, to open up and diversify the types of works you can do, TEINNOVA have a solution for you. And that's great for us to be able to offer that now in the UK. You can come and see and work with the products with us at our large showroom in Liverpool. We've got a dedicated area where we can showcase the TECAI, the TEGRAS, ICS products as well. And you can work with the equipment. So almost try before you buy, and you can be shown how to work with the equipment safely and understand how you can open up the types of work that your business offer. Now we'll be able to offer diagnostics and repair from our centre in Liverpool, working very closely with the expertise located here in Logroño in Spain. Come and speak to us, come and see the products so that you can understand how HASMAN and TEINNOVA can help you achieve your goals, whether that's working more efficiently, working more safely, or opening up the range of work you deliver on site for your customers.